if you can make videos like this and record yourself, then brands will be happy to pay you good amount of money, somewhere around $100, $200, or $500 as well, just for recording yourself with the help of camera and doing what you love to do. As you can see, this Instagram influencer has partnered with the Artment, and they might have paid her good amount of money just to record a video like this, because this is a new concept where buyers and the customers like you trust more than the person than the brand itself. So that is why there is a new term called UGC. So if you go on Google and you search about this term called UGC, then you will get to know that this is known as user generated content. UGC marketing meaning, yeah, user generated content, where the primary focus is to gain trust of the customer by showing the real face and by showing that a real person like them is using this product, and if they use it, then they will also get benefit out of it. So this is all about like creating the transparency and creating the trust factor, and that is why UGC is on so much demand. And if you go on to the Facebook ads library, you will see that a lot of people have started making use of this UGC content. For example, like even if I talk about this, so now this girl is basically doing unboxing part. You can read the content, and then if I just play the video.
The boring plastic or paper bags, it came in this stylish, environment-friendly cotton drawstring bag.
So you see, what is happening. A girl again is showing and doing the unboxing part and like showing how this bag is beneficial for the customers. The same way, if you go ahead on like this Facebook ads library, you will be able to see a lot of people are here. For example, like this one. You see, again a lot of people are talking and like they've created. So again, this is a user generated content where the face has been shown, and like it is implying that like if I can use the same product, then it might benefit you as well. So that is what the UGC meaning is. But does brands really pay this much amount of money? Well, yes. So I'll just take an help of this website called Fiverr, and if you just search UGC, then you will be able to see that there are people who are charging somewhere around 22,000 rupees. This is equivalent to your I think $250. So it says I'll create UGC video ads for TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook, and he charges somewhere around $22,000, and he has already got 276 reviews. That means that $250 into 276, that is the amount that he has already got by creating the UGC type of content. The same way you can see, I'll record pro UGC ads for your brand, and I charge somewhere around 12,000 rupees, and he has already got 406 reviews. The same way, there are like plenty of options that you can choose from, and all you have to do is you just have to establish yourself as a UGC content creator, and then you can go ahead, because there is a huge demand. Even if you are from the Asia specific countries, then you can go ahead and like say that I can be your Asia um, face for your Asian people, right? Because Asian loves Asian, European loves European, similarly US loves USian, right? The same way, all you have to do is like you have to like go ahead on the platforms like these, and then you have to establish yourself as one of the content creator in that niche. So what I'll say, that narrow down yourself. For example, like if I say UGC crypto on Fiverr itself, then there are just one person who is showing his face and saying that like I can create UGC content for your finance and crypto apps. So that is how you can niche down yourself, because the more you will narrow down yourself, the better chances that you will get proposals from the desired companies. And if you want to learn about like how you can create UGC videos, all you need to do is like go ahead and on YouTube and search about like how I can become a UGC content creator, and then there will be plenty of options that will show you how you can become one of the successful UGC content creator. Because the more viral videos you can create, the more researchable videos you can create, the more high price you can ask. For example, like if I just show you over here, so you can see that this person is asking 27,000 rupees, this is only asking 22,000, and this is only asking 12,000 rupees. So it depends like whatever content you create and what impact you create with the help of your video. So if as a e-commerce business owner, I get more sales with the help of your UGC content, then I don't mind paying you high amount of money, because I know I can cover this up very quickly. So if you go ahead on YouTube and if you just type down how to become UGC content creator, then there will be plenty of options that you will be able to see that how you can become the UGC content creator. And then what you have to do, you have to showcase your skills on either channel, on either social media channel. You can use Instagram, you can go ahead on LinkedIn, or whichever platforms you like, maybe on YouTube itself, right? And then you have to show that whatever UGC content you can create. And once you have your portfolio, then the businesses or the brands might come to you, and then they will be able to hire you on the basis of your portfolio. So your portfolio should be very uh, very authoritative, very trustworthy. Otherwise, like, brands won't hire you because there's so much competition out there. So that is how you have to create the UGC content. And if you like the video, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.